Quick video update, boys. Back to working on the Honda Civic K20 Kswap using just a little bit of nitrous, not too much. So today what we're going to be doing is our exhaust system. All right, now some of the parts we're going to be using, it's going to be a 3-inch piping, a 3-inch ultra silent resonator, flex pipe, and of course your flange for your header. A lot of guys are going V-band just to make a simple install. The Skunk 2 header I bought already came with its own flange, so instead of cutting and welding the header, I'm just going to use the flange Skunk 2 already provides. Those are it right there, Skunk 2 alphas. Got the swap running just the way we wanted it to be running, real nice and clean. We did our 36mm axles with our extended studs. We did some brake pads, brake rotors, and it's running good. So now that I got it running the way I wanted it to run, pretty much got the car all situated the way I wanted it. Now it's time to get it ready for the track, and it's been super loud driving it, so I didn't mind at first, but now it's time to quiet her down. All right, so this is gonna be our flex pipe, the ultra silent vibrant resonator, and this exhaust piping comes from True Bends. And the reason why I'm making this video is just to show you guys the most efficient, cleanest way to do your exhaust system when you're going Kswap. Now, reason why I say this is because nobody really makes an exhaust that's made for a Kswap car. So with True Bends, what they do is they make these exhaust kits for 92 through 2000 Honda Civics and Integras. They're all pretty much the same thing. But what I like about this exhaust piping, you get it when you get it in the mail. Obviously they ship it to you. This middle piece, because your header, it obviously changes from the K, from single cam and B series. You're just able to flip this exhaust pipe over, and it brings the piping back down center straight. So whoever does the exhaust work as far as welding it for you, it's going to be as much way smoother, easier time installing it versus the one-piece exhaust that they sell out there. A lot of people do piece out cheap exhaust systems on eBay and stuff like that, but it's just a waste of money. I wouldn't recommend anyone to do that. Just if you can't afford it just yet, just wait and do it once. We're trying to do the work once and do it clean while you're at it, so hopefully some of this stuff works. Now I'm gonna be on my way to the exhaust shop. All right, so here we are, boys, at the muffler shop. And before you guys ask, we are not going with a muffler due to I don't want the bulkiness back here. We're just gonna leave the pipe right here hanging down. So once we start the install, I'll go down there and show you guys what it looks like. So there it is, guys. piping with a ultra quiet vibrant resonator. I didn't go with a muffler only because I like the no muffler look. So you guys can see, kind of looks just like one piece back here. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it with the car. The car is pretty much track ready, got it quiet down. It's running good just like I'd like it to run. I have no issues whatsoever. This car was built with a purpose, and the car has definitely served its purpose and proved its point. So now that the car has served its purpose and proved its point, I think we're gonna have to get it to the track and get some numbers on it, and then just kind of get to see what a setup like this can do. Nothing special about this car, just a stock build, nothing too fancy. What I'm gonna start doing next is we're gonna probably do cosmetics on the car, maybe get some body work, maybe add some carbon fiber to it. But as you guys can see, if you guys watch my previous videos, this thing is real nice and quiet compared to how it used to sound with the open header. So there she is, boys, all complete, running. Took us a while, but there it is, step by step on how to do your own K-Swap. Budget, efficient, and clean. Comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think.